So how to use any apps on your cover on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 like that. So for that you need to open your setting, and under setting you can see the advanced feature and go to labs. Now you have to enable those options. So once you enable those options, go to apps allow, then you can see these four apps only. So enable those apps and just go to get multi-star. So press on get multi-star, then your multi-star apps will be download. These apps multi-star. So once download complete, then you have to go back again and press on get multi-star. Then here you can see all of your option. First time you can see this kind of interface like that. So you have to select which apps you want to add. For example, I want to add those apps. So once done, just simply go back or enable launch widget, and then go to your section where you want to add. For example, I want to add there. Then go to the multi-star option, press on multi-star. Now select good luck, then your all apps will be add. You can also change your apps size as well by clicking your good luck apps. If you have good luck apps, this one, then you can customize your option as well. Foldable launcher, then you can see all option available here. You can increase or decrease or anything. And once done, now let's check. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.